Welcome to DefiWalk. I'm your host Philip, and today we're going to be covering another DeFi protocol called Iron.finance. Now, Iron.finance is a stablecoin protocol. The stablecoin is called Iron, and the governance token is called Titan. So they have two tokens for this protocol. At least for the Polygon side of things. If we switch over to the Binance side of things, the two tokens are Iron and Steel. Iron is the stablecoin and Steel is the governance token. We'll be covering things on the Polygon side here and how things actually work. Now, the first thing to note and why you would be interested in this protocol is the APY you can earn from this protocol. I have about $7,000 staking on the Titan/Iron pool, and currently the APY is over 900%. Earlier, it was around 1600%, and I've made around $500-600. And so far, it's been fairly profitable for me. I've invested roughly $5,000 in, so my initial deposit grew, and I've earned on top of that an additional $500. And what I'm doing with my profits is I'm buying Ethereum with them and I'm holding on to Ethereum. Now, if you want to really maximize your earnings, what you can do is you can take the Earn Titan here, you can claim it, and then you can stake it into this pool, the Titan pool, and here you get 200% APY, and what you're going to earn is USDC coin. And this isn't exactly actually the best way to maximize your profits, but it's a good way to secure your profits. So whether the markets go up or down, you're slowly dripping USDC coin, which is good for risk management, because if the markets go down, you want to make sure you always have dollars available. Now, I'm not really doing this because I'm staking on the Titan/Iron protocol, and the Titan token is kind of volatile, but the Iron token is a stable coin. So I figured if half of my tokens are stable coins, I'm okay with just holding on to this stable coin rather than cashing it into USDC. So at least that's my plan. None of this is investment advice, and I'd recommend you find a strategy that works best for you and your portfolio. Now, they do have a few different other pools you can stake in. You have the Titan/Matic pool. This one's a little higher than the stablecoin pool, but I'm not as bullish on the market right now because things have been a little bearish lately. So I decided just to hold half stablecoins at the moment, and the APY is still great. They also have the stablecoin pool, which you can see the label here, and it's using the Iron stablecoin and the USDC stablecoin. So if you really want to play it safe, this is definitely the best pool to get into. You just deposit your Iron/USDC, and the way to add liquidity is you push this add liquidity button and you add the liquidity on SushiSwap on the Polygon side of things. Now, this Iron.finance project is starting to get a lot of traction. You can see that they have 6,000 followers on Twitter, and they're growing very fast, as you can tell by their total value locked here. You can see that they started out at the beginning of this month, which was around 30 days ago. They went from 64 million total locked all the way up to 220 million locked, which is amazing. And you can see that their growth is starting to look parabolic. This thing is just going up, and it's going up fairly steadily. And you can tell by the price of the Titan token, if we zoom out to the month view, you can see that when the protocol started, it jumped up to $2.60, and then it's already working its way back up, and it's at $1.50. Now, something I like about this Titan token, I believe that the price is going to go much higher than $1.70. I may be wrong, I may be right, I don't know. But the reason I think so is because, if you look on the documentation and you click on the Titan distribution, you can see that the total supply of Titan is 1 billion, and 700 is dedicated for farmers like myself, what I'm doing in the farming pool for these pools here. And 300 million is dedicated for the treasury, which is used for partnerships. Now, there is a max supply of 1 billion, and currently the released supply, if we look on the homepage here and we click on the supply, you can see on the supply that we're currently sitting at 6 million tokens that are unlocked. So once this thing goes to 700 million, the price of Titan is dramatically going to increase because there's no more tokens being minted. But right now, all the tokens are being minted through the exchange area here. And this is how the application actually works is in order to get the Iron stablecoin, you have to trade in these Titan tokens and USDC tokens, or you can just do USDC tokens for the Iron. And anytime you mint any tokens, there's going to be a pool balance that gets distributed throughout these farms here. So that's going to create a lot of liquidity for farmers and actually generate APY for anyone interested in using these protocols. And you can also redeem your tokens, your Iron, if you're holding any, for the Titan token as well. Now, this platform itself does have a decent amount of total value locked. You can see it's already almost at $250 million, which is growing very fast. And what's really propelling this project's growth is if you go to a website like Polycat, one of the biggest yield farms on the Polygon side of things, you can see that they have a vault here, and the vault is they have a vault here for the Iron USDC, and you can see that this APY is amazing. Here you're getting almost 1,000% APY in stable coins. And on the Titan side of things, if we go to the farms, the stable coin here is the stablecoin APY is 235. So you're almost getting 5 times as much, maybe 4 times as much on Polycat than you are on Titan. So if you're looking to farm tokens, Polycat might be a better place to farm at the moment, but I'm sure this APY will go down eventually. There's no way things can just stay this high all the time. And not only on Polycat can you farm the Iron tokens, you can also farm them on the 11.finance project protocol. And here you can see that you also get really good APY with the Titan/Iron, the stablecoin Iron, the USDC Iron. You can see that the APY here is also really good. And there's a lot of projects that are starting to adopt this Iron protocol. So I have a feeling that this Titan token is going to go much higher than its current price. Again, not financial advice. I'm betting that this token is going to go higher in price. So I'm probably going to be slowly selling these off and not rapidly, because I think there's a lot of profit that could be made by holding this Titan token here in the short to midterm. Once the APY starts to drop to like maybe the 200%, maybe 100%, that's when I'm going to start selling my Titan tokens, because a lot more people are not going to be interested in this project because the APY isn't as high. But we'll see how things go. But at the moment, I think I'm going to start harvesting my rewards here and putting them inside of the Titan pool here and locking, or inside of the stablecoin earning pool, and I'm going to start locking in some gains with USDC and buying some Ethereum with it. At least that's my plan with this protocol. If you want to stay up to date with the Iron.finance team, be sure to follow them on Twitter, and be sure to follow us as well on at DefiWalk, where we're going to be posting some good farming strategies as well. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on some of the best farms out there in crypto land. Thank you for watching this episode of DefiWalk, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.